Hi everyone. Our software, Advanced ETL Processor, offers multiple ways of creating Excel files. One of them is saving results of SQL statement into Excel file. Let me show how it can be done. Let's start from creating new transformation. Let's call it workflow, SQL to Excel. We have a specific action dedicated to it called guess how SQL to Excel. So what we need to do, we need to select connection. I have already created connection to SQL Server. We're going to be using embedded SQL. I've already created it. So we have this SQL statement from people table. Paste it here. Click OK. And we need to select the target file. So target file is call it people as well. Let's run it. And all done. As you can see, that's rather easy. So what we have here, here's our data. You're probably aware that Excel has some limitations. For example, for latest version of Microsoft Office, it is a maximum 1 million rows. Our software will create a file with 1 million rows, but you need to be careful when you write in the SQL statement. Always add select top or something to limit it. In case of very large data sets, better option would be to create one Excel file with multiple sheets. Again, our software can do it. You can even update existing files if necessary. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this tutorial useful. Please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please go to our support forum and we will do our best to help you. Remember, all you need to do is to ask. Thank you, bye.